So let me show you how to fix first not showing on Instagram profile. So in this video, I'll show you step by step how to fix Instagram no post yet problem. So after you open up your Instagram app, now you have two options. So the first method to fix this problem, just close the Instagram. After you close the Instagram, minimize and remove the Instagram from the minimize section. So from there now, go ahead now and open up now your Play Store or App Store. After you open your Play Store or App Store, just go and search for Instagram. After you start with the Instagram, just click on the Instagram icon and update your Instagram. After you update the Instagram, the next thing to do now, go ahead now and up close. So the next thing to do now go and find the Instagram on your from your phone. So now here is Instagram. So now double click, now long press on the Instagram. After you tap and hold on the Instagram, click on this app info. So now it will show you the Instagram in your settings. So now from this option, all you have to do is scroll to down, go to this storage. After you open the storage, now click on this clear cache. So after you clear the cache of the Instagram, now close the Instagram again and minimize it. So now remove the Instagram from the minimize. So now open the Instagram again. So now after you open the Instagram like this, now go ahead and open up your profile. So after you open up your profile, just refresh your profile like this. So from there you'll be able now to see your post like this now. But if you try this method and still it's not working, so now try the last method. Close the Instagram. After you close the Instagram, just go ahead now and tap and hold on the Instagram and uninstall the Instagram. After you uninstall the Instagram, then go back and go to your Play Store or App Store and install the Instagram back again and try to log into your account and open up your profile. So from there, your problem will be solved. Hope this video helps. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share.